Hello and good morning everyone. I am Mustafa Barman from Sentinel Solutions and this is a demonstrating video of our newly released product Skidaward. Skidaward is very simple. It was designed in such a manner that any person with no skills could attach it to a two-wheeler without the need of any professional. Skidaward mainly consists of two components, which are the tying bar and the polycarbonate side wheels. These two components can be attached to the scooter easily with the help of 4 screws. The first component is the tying bar, which is made of 312 high-grade steel, which can withstand a very good amount of weight or pressure. This component of our product is attached to the scooter mainframe with the help of 2 screws which are located below the mat. The second component are the 2 polycarbonate side wheels, which are attached to the tying bar with the help of 2 screws. These wheels are very durable and will support the scooter and avoid it from slipping and hence falling. So after the fitting, the product will look something like this.
Sentinel Solutions presents Skidaward. It's a product that no one desires, but truly everyone needs. It consists of 2 polycarbonate side wheels and 312 high-grade steel tying bars. They are fitted in the middle of the scooter and it avoids the amount of tilt experienced by one while slipping and so avoiding the slipping. This is the tying bar and this is the polycarbonate side wheels. Target market. We decided that we designed the product by keeping a target market in mind. Firstly, teenagers. Maximum usage of two-wheelers like Activa and Honda are done by teenagers and so it is kind of a safety for them. Secondly, senior citizens and handicapped people. It is for their safety and comfort. And third, people in areas of maximum rainfall, where rainfall is a lot, like the road is slippery and wet, and so there are more chances of slipping.
So here comes the marketing plan, which includes the advertising, various advertisements and various promotional schemes, which will help in increasing our sales. So this is the newspaper advertisement, The Times of India. Here is the magazine advertisement. This is our Hindi radio jingle.
Guys, go slow with your advertisement. Go back to newspaper advertisement. Stay there for at least 5 seconds before you move on to the next slide.
This is our newspaper advertisement, The Times of India. This is our magazine advertisement. So here are the radio jingles, the Hindi radio jingle.
चालू चलो ना कहीं घूमने चलते हैं।
हाँ ठीक है, चलो चलते हैं।
मैं तुम्हारे प्यार में गिरी और तुमने मुझे ही गिरा दिया।
अपना ये नया स्किडवर्ड व्हील्स जो आपको फिसलने से बचाए। हाय।
अधिक जानकारी के लिए कॉल करें 9729248555 या लॉग ऑन करें www.sentinelsolutions.co.nr. The English radio jingle.
Hey, you should drive slowly. Don't you know I'm known as Racing Heart?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Hey Racing Heart, I think you should use this new product called Skidaward Wheels. It will save you from slipping. For more information, you can contact us on 972924855 or log on to www.sentinelsolutions.co.nr.
Well, who doesn't watch TV? Like, television advertisements is the most effective way of marketing as it is visually appealing and more informative. This is our television commercial. made our company website, which is www.sentinelsolutions.co.nr, which talks about our products, the history, foundation, and everything. Here's the overview. Well, we have also focused on social media marketing, and this is the Facebook ad which we have given on Facebook. And we have also made the Facebook page wherein customers can contact us, and we provide them with the product. This is the website overview.
Welcome to Sentinel Solutions website. This is an overview. The homepage talks about the newly introduced product Skidovoid and its TVC. The second page talks about the foundation of the company and its present location. It talks about how Ishit and Mustafa established the company and the reasons why they chose the location of the factory and the factors that led to success of Sentinel Solutions.
The products page displays information about our latest product Skidovoid. It also talks about the other products that we are currently manufacturing and distributing, like cycles, wheels, helmets, and sidecars.
After huge success of company by Ishit and Mustafa, they established 2 new branch offices in Delhi and Ahmedabad. It also displays information through which you can contact any of our branch offices and headquarters. The gallery shows the images of all the products of Sentinel Solutions and the group photo of our team.
This is the FAQ page, and it displays the frequently asked questions of Skidovoid, like why should one buy Skidovoid product, or does the product require a lot of maintenance, etc. Such questions are answered in this page. This was the overview of our site. Thank you for watching.
Well, this is the rickshaw advertisement.
Hoardings. We are planning to put hoardings in each and every city, and these are some of the hoardings which we are planning to put. Now I'll talk something about the promotional strategies. To enter into the market, we are using some of the promotional strategies as follows. 30% discount to first 50 customers. The second is buy 2 Skidovoid and get 1 pair of protective sheets free. Now you would be thinking, what are these protective sheets? These protective sheets are a kind of plastic material sheets which you can attach to the side of your scooters, and it will help you from the rainwater, which is where it helps you from protecting from rainwater splashing on your legs, and it can be detachable as well. The third is 15-day money return if the product is defective. We are planning to set up stalls in malls so that we can attract as many customers as possible. So as we are targeting the youth and the teenagers, we are going to organize seminars in schools and colleges so that we can encourage students and college-going people to buy the product and avoid themselves from slipping during the rainy season or while driving fast. The third is tie-ups with leading two-wheeler brands like Honda and Suzuki. We are also going to provide with them with the pamphlets and other materials regarding Skidovoid when a customer goes to buy the product. The next is coupons in magazines of 10% discount. The second is we are going to organize a lucky draw, and out of this 5 lucky winners will get 70% discount, which is to attract more and more customers. The third is people who come with flyers will get 5% discount on the product.
Now price. Price is one of the most important aspects that decides the sales of the product. It shouldn't be too high or neither too low, or it would impact the sales of the product very highly. The price that we came up for our product was rupees 299. Now, while calculating this amount, we took into consideration all the aspects like the cost price of the product, the fitting price or the installation charges of the product, and keeping in mind the profit margin. The price of the wheels is rupees 100. The fitting price, which includes the price of the tying bar, the high grade steel tying bar, and the installation charges, which is rupees 150 each, that comes up to 250. And the profit margin that we decided for our product was 20%, that almost comes up to rupees 49. So if we sum it all up, it comes up to 299, and it is very nominal price, so I think almost everyone could afford it. The making video. This video only shows the glimpses of the journey and the fun that we had through IPM. So, without these things, making this presentation and all of this would be practically impossible. So the softwares that we used for our presentation were Wix for creating and designing the website, Photoshop CS6 and Picasa for creating the photos like the advertisement, the newspaper advertisements, etc. And Sony Vegas Pro and After Effects for editing and creating the TVC and other videos that were shown in the presentation. At last but not the least, the most important part, we would like to heartily and from the bottom of our hearts like to thank these people. Bijal ma'am for her continuous guidance, her support and sharing her experience throughout the IPM. We would like to thank Prashant sir and Anku sir for helping us create the radio jingles. And special thanks to Naitik Trivedi, Pooja Shah, Mr. Hiten Vora and Samarth Karya and Rajat Kothari for getting us through those tricky corners. Thank you. Any questions?
Question that I have is it only for scooters? Like there are no such wheels for bikes?
No, we haven't designed the wheels for bike, but these wheels can be fitted into any scooters. Like the tying bar, that is the main component which is fitted to the scooter. It can be installed in any variety of scooter, like the Scooty or the Activa or Access or any scooter manufacturer. And it is also detachable.
Hello and good morning everyone. I am Mustafa Barman from Sentinel Solutions and this is a demonstrating video of our newly released product Skidovoid. Skidovoid is very simple. It was designed in such a manner that any person with no skills could attach it to a two-wheeler without the need of any professional. Skidovoid mainly consists of two components, which are the tying bar and the polycarbonate side wheels. These two components can be attached to the scooter easily with the help of toe screws.
The first component is the tying bar, which is made of 312 high-grade steel, which can withstand a very good amount of weight or pressure. This component of our product is attached to the scooter mainframe with the help of two screws which are located below the mat.
The second component are the two polycarbonate side wheels, which are attached to the tying bar with the help of two screws. These wheels are very durable and will support the scooter and avoid it from slipping and hence falling. So after the fitting, the product will look something like this. So here is our final product. I'm Mustafa Banwal from Sentinel Solutions. Thank you.
Did you try driving with those things?
Yeah, we tried driving with that, and because it was just a prototype model, it wasn't fully functional. Like we could drive it through a straight line and turn through small corners. But if we tried in extreme situations like rain or like an actual accident, it would not be that functional. We require more resources and more strength material for that purpose.
Has any similar product in the market, or have you seen it elsewhere?
Not in our attention.
So then how did you come on this idea? How did this come to you?
Yeah, there was the Turbo Solutions team. They actually suggested an idea to us that you should invent something that would avoid like accidents or something. So we decided that there are wheels for handicapped people, and we thought that why don't we decrease the size of those wheels and fit it through the front, like it would look more fashionable and not like very big, and it is also detachable very easily. Like there are only 4 screws that you can detach. Anyone can detach with a small yeah.
Okay, I have just one question. That suppose if the prototype was not to be made, what would be your product idea? Ideally speaking, like what would you want to see in the product? You don't have to make that product.
If you are not restricted by the making.
What would be your original idea? Like what would you like to see in that product?
We would like to see like high technology used. The wheels only deploy when you are in an extreme situation. The scooter is tilting till a certain degree, and so the wheels fall down and it avoids you from slipping. But we were not able to
Why I
manage
asked that question is that originally while talking about it, they were thinking about putting the sensors so that when the scooter kind of tilts at certain angle, automatically those wheels come out and it gives you the support. That was the original idea, but of course putting it into
there are
action
certain
is
limitations.
tough. Yeah, so that's what the point.
Pricing was perfect. I loved the way you described the website, the pricing. That is how we want, the bifurcation, So that was really good. The radio jingle, the idea of having it in 2 languages, again, beautiful idea. The Facebook ad, a good addition. Whose idea was it?
We decided.
And you were really good. It's the lead that you took. So, overall, a good job.
Thank you.